Frederico Tinoco overthrew the government of Costa Rica and ran the country for over 2 years, until he fled to Europe. When the legitimate Costa Rican government was restored, it sought to avoid responsibility for contracts the Tinoco government had made with private companies. Was the legitimate government bound by the actions of an illegitimate dictatorship? That's the question in Tinoco Claims Arbitration. Tinoco seized control in a military coup in January of 1917. Thereafter, Tinoco called an election at which he was elected president. A new constitution was created and a new legislative assembly elected. For most of the time that Tinoco held power, his government peacefully managed the country's affairs. No other government tried to assert control, and initially Tinoco enjoyed popular support. Many foreign countries recognized Tinoco's government, but the United States, Great Britain, and several of their allies did not. Tinoco's government granted a concession to the Central Costa Rica Petroleum Company, a British corporation, to discover and exploit oil deposits in certain regions. The Royal Bank of Canada, also a British corporation, loaned money to the regime. Tinoco's government collapsed in 1919, and he fled the country. The old constitution was restored, and new elections held. The new Congress nullified all contracts between Tinoco's government and private entities. Great Britain and Costa Rica agreed to arbitrate the validity of the concession held by the petroleum company and the debt owed to the bank. William H. Taft, then Chief Justice of the United States Supreme Court, was appointed the arbitrator.